Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the silverware basket door in your dishwasher. The reason why I might have to do this is because the basket door is damaged, causing it not to close properly. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our dishwasher here. So we're going to roll out the rack here, and right here is our silverware basket assembly. It's sitting in there. However, you might also have it on the front. If you look on the back here, there's a couple of spaces where it can actually sit right there and it slides down. However, on this model, there's just not enough room to actually close the door when it's in that position. So in order to get it off of this, if it's on here like this, all you're going to simply do is just pull it up and remove it. Now on this basket here, the front part is called the door, and that opens when you pull it up and then just move it down. So in order to remove the door, all we have to do is push over slightly, and that first piece will come out right there. Then we'll get the other side out right here, and that'll come out the same way. We just pull it, and then we'll just bend the front door slightly in order to get the middle parts out. There we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement silverware basket door, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now to put this back on, what we're going to do is put the middle pieces in first. So just give it a slight bend and put those tabs into place, and then we'll pop the other ones on the ends in, just like that. Then you can close the door up. So move it all the way up, then slide it down, and the door locks into place just like that. Now we can put it back in, push it in, then close your door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.